Hi, this is Mike, WA3TTS. We got a new Bendix 526C Catalan radio put together here, and turn it up.
My cousin Leroy with the GT switching 4 lanes.
See if we get ZOM on top of the dial.
The Earth was not.
Yeah, I always get them.
There you go. An asteroid was Mars. Either guy told me that instead of making them think twice.
What is the sticker price? They didn't put it up.
Those voters. We're shipping. Good afternoon, sir.
Anyway. That's a nice radio. Look at the back here. Back's open. And the other one we got over here. Oh, this is a second 526C in parts. We got that there, and this guy's being glued up. The other half of him. And over here we got a blonder tug from 1959. This thing sounds amazingly good for a 6-tube radio. So anyway, that's the fun and games on Saturday afternoon. 7-3 from WA3TTS.